Welcome back. Here is another video tutorial on how to make selections. I am going to duplicate this frog again, and I'm going to right click on it and click on duplicate. Another way to duplicate is by holding Control and pressing J on the keyboard. That will also duplicate. What's the very most important thing to do here? To go ahead and hide the layer underneath, so once we delete something, it doesn't seem like we're doing nothing. So we did talk about the magic one, where we can go and click on something in order to make it, in order to select it. But what we can also do is click and hold on the magic one. The menu will extend, and we can get the quick selection tool. Now, here's the thing: when you look at these menus, you will see that there is a tiny little triangle at the bottom right-hand side of most of them, not all of them. So, for example, the magnifying glass doesn't have it, but if you click and hold on it, they will then expand and give you more options in there as well. I'm going to go ahead and click on hold on the magic one and click the quick selection tool. The quick selection tool and the magic one are within the same menu because they actually are very identical. The only difference is with the magic one, you just click and it selects. With the quick selection tool, you get to click and drag and go through the areas that you want to get selected. Now, you might already notice that I have cut through the finger there as well as the hand over here. The shadows are a lot better, but again, we are cutting into the body of the frog. That's not a problem at all, because if I was to hold Alt on the keyboard, I can go ahead and deselect the areas that should not be. Now, it's very important for you to understand what right now is selected and what is not selected. What is selected is this outer area and not the frog. So, meaning what is selected, this area is selected unnecessarily. This hand is selected unnecessarily. So what I am going to do is hold Alt on the keyboard, and you can see that the plus sign turns into the Alt sign when to a minus sign when I'm holding Alt. So if I let go, that becomes a plus. If I hold Alt, it becomes a minus. And you can see that these two buttons over here change. So if I hold Alt, and if I let go, if I hold Alt, okay. So I'm going to go ahead and hold Alt and drag over the areas that should not be selected. Okay. Now this area again unnecessarily selected. However, this is a previous video tutorial again rendered. However, for this area, we want to go ahead and select that shadow under the belly as well. So I'm not going to hold Alt. I'm just going to go ahead and click and drag. Okay, if I ever think I've selected something unnecessarily, I can hold Alt and go back in there and make the selection. And now what I can do is go ahead and press delete on the keyboard. And again, we have removed the frog from the background. So what I am going to do is stop this video here. I will come back and show you other selection methods as well.